Hi guys, so it's been a while. I did a unboxing video. So just today I went to ALDI and bought a Cocoon Create 3D printer touch. They're currently on special at ALDI this week for 499 Australian dollars. And I also bought the filament in slate grey colour. This is a PLA filament, so this costs an extra $35. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this and have a look inside. So let's put this down. Let's cut this open. So this is my first 3D printer. So I've been doing a lot of research on the internet and see what kind of stuff I can print off it. So we'll find out. Okay. So let me pull this out. Okay, so you get a manual. So it's a quick setup guide on how to put together and how to level the print bed as well. Let's put that aside. So you get a warranty certificate. And some promotional material for a 3D pen. Put this down here. So from what I understand is this 3D printer comes in two parts. So this is all the screws and power cable in this little box. So let's put that aside. Okay, so this is the printing bed. Part of the 3D printer. So let's put it down here first. And this is the top part of the 3D printer. Sits on top of the bed, so it needs to be screwed onto it. So let me put that down here first. Okay, so on the ALDI catalog, they never mention about it comes with free filaments, but I just unboxed it and looked inside. There's 4 different coloured filaments just below the box here, so which is a bonus. So, let's put that aside. So it looks like you get two printing mats to lay on the printer bed. And this is the comprehensive instruction manual for the printer. Okay, so that's all the stuff that's in the box. So I'm going to put the box away and try to put the printer together. Okay, so I've got all the components all laid out. So I'm going to try to go through the quick setup guide to figure out how to assemble this. So let's get started. Okay, so that's the 3D printer. It's fully assembled. So with the quick guide, with all the cablings numbered on it, it's easy to find where it's supposed to connect. So it's very quick. So it's all done. I'm going to power it up and see if it turns on. Let's switch it on and see. There you go. As you can see on the LCD. There you go, the menu's on. So that's the unboxing of the Cocoon Create 3D printer touch. So anyway guys, I think I'm going to finish off this video. Leave any comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time.